front of me is Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Then scroll down again to tap on App Permissions and click on one of those devices features, like for example Location. Then you need to tap on one of your apps under one of those sections. Apply one of those options, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. And in some cases, like this one, choose don't allow anyway in the pop-up. So when I go back, as you can see, my app no longer has access to this device's location. If you want to, you can also tap on any feature you want, and then look for an app that you wish to manage. Click on it, scroll all the way down, select See All Permissions and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!